in a world that demands you to always be strong. But in reality, no matter how far you run or where you hide, that lingering doubt keeps echoing. You keep pushing forward, falling and rising again, yet in the depths of darkness, sometimes you catch a glimpse of a shadow that isn't as strong as it seems. But there's one thing I've discovered. Confidence isn't just about looking tough. It's about awareness. Awareness to care for and appreciate every detail of life. Confidence is a process that leads to the realization that I am worthy of standing as the best version of myself. Man, this comeback was personal. It's a promise from me to myself. I'm Johan, a man who knows exactly what he carries and what he chooses to leave behind. Hafez Restorer, an investment in who you become.